So hello friends, welcome to your own channel Educational Virus, and my name is Nikhil Kumar, and today I will tell you about some daily use 50 plus vocabularies for beginners. So without any wastage of time, let's get started. So our first vocab is angry, it means gussa. Second is hungry, it means bhook. Third is next, it means agla. Fourth is back, it means पीछे. Fifth is again, it means दोबारा. Sixth is language, it means भाषा. Seventh is food, it means भोजन. Eighth is body, it means शरीर. Ninth is memories, it means यादें. 10th is truth, it means सच. 11th is kind, it means दयालु. 12th is happy, it means खुश. 13th is noise, it means शोर. 14th is profit, it means लाभ. 15th is clean, it means साफ. 16th is near, it means पास. 17th is surrounding, it means चारों ओर. 18th is later, it means बाद में. 19th is often, it means अक्सर. 20 is before, it means पहले. 21st is after, it means बाद में. 22nd is describe, it means वर्णन करना. 23rd is delayed, it means विस्तार. 24th is curious, it means जिज्ञासु. 25th is leader, it means नेता. 26th is feast, it means दावत. 27th is huge, it means विशाल. 28th is insist, it means आग्रह करना. 29th is insist, it means निष्पक्ष. 30th is classify, it means वर्गीकृत. 31st is annoy, it means परेशान करना. 32nd is conclusion, it means निष्कर्ष. 33rd is decide, it means निश्चय लेना. 34th is bag, it means थैला. 35th is information, it means जानकारी. 36th is discipline, it means अनुशासन. 37th is ago, it means पूर्व. 38th is bad, it means खराब. 39th is base, it means आधार. 40 is both, it means दोनों. 41st is child, it means बच्चा. 42nd is related, it means संबंधित. 43rd is digit, it means अंक. 44th is religion, it means धर्म. 45th is evening, it means संध्या. 46th is delete, it means हटाना. 47th is ghost, it means भूत. 48th is love, it means प्यार. 49th is hate, it means नफरत. एंड 50th is aesthetic, it means सौंदर्य संबंधी. सो फ्रेंड्स, वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और जितने ज़्यादा हो सके अपने दोस्तों को, अपने रिलेटिव्स को शेयर कर दीजिए. फॉर नाउ टाटा बाय बाय एंड सी यू सून विद द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.